Guys, naturally marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do like this experiment that I never tried before. Basically, I am going to be using beer to rinse my hair. So first, before we get into this video, could you please press subscribe, because I see you see me, but I want to see you press the subscribe button and become part of the BAM fam. So if you will please press the subscribe button and let's get into this video. Okay, you guys, so I'm starting out with two big twists in my hair, and like I said, I'm using beer to rinse my hair. Yes, I am. But really quick, I need to shampoo my hair and make sure that my hair is really clean so that I can, rinse my hair with beer. I'm going to have all the benefits up on the screen of what the beer rinse actually does for your hair, but I can just tell you that my hair was really soft. It was shiny after I did the rinse. And one other thing really quick, you're supposed to use a non-alcoholic beer, but I couldn't find that, so I just cracked open this can of Bud Light, baby. Bud Light, baby. Bud Light. No, I'm playing. I don't know what in the world I'm doing. But my Bud Light sat out on the counter for like 2 days so that it could go completely flat. I didn't notice anything different with it being alcohol free or with alcohol in it. I know alcohol dries out your hair, but honestly, for me, you guys, my hair was really soft and shiny. I would do this beer rinse again. I thought it was pretty cool and pretty neat, but here I'm just showing you me thoroughly cleaning off my scalp, because I did put like a whole bunch of grease in my hair, like literally Vaseline. So I wanted to get my hair completely cleaned off. And you guys can hear my son trying to help me do my voiceovers, but right now is not the day. Hey, look, you can't help me do my voiceover right now. So because he's probably going to want to try to talk over me, I'm just going to let you guys watch me rinse out the rest of my hair and do my voiceover then. Ooh, really? That's what's happening? You see, mommy? I got a whole bunch of suds on my hair. It's called shampoo. Yeah, mama. Look, I'm rinsing it out with beer. You see that? Say Seahawks. See Seahawks? Yes, say we love Russell Wilson, huh? Oh, yeah, mama's gonna... Oh, yeah, you see mama pour the beer out on her hair, but it was only a half a can of beer. I filled the rest of it up with water. You see that? It's water. Yeah. Oh. It made mama's hair nice and shiny. Yeah. So, after I put the beer rinse on my hair, I'm going to have to put I got to put a plastic bag on my hair, okay? I let the plastic bag in the beer. Oh, okay. But listen. I put the... Oh, okay. Well, hold on. I put the beer on my hair. What is going on here? I have to tell you what I'm doing. Okay. Yep, it was cold. You see that? It was real cold. Because I put cold water in there. Half beer, half water. You put a plastic bag on for about 10 minutes. Then you rinse it out. Yes, you rinse it out of your hair and you don't add nothing else. So I'm gonna wash my head rag while we're waiting, okay? But you rinse the beer out and you leave it alone. Just leave your hair, leave it alone. You don't even do no follow-up deep conditionings or nothing. That's what you do. Okay, tell the people goodbye. Y'all rinse out y'all's hair and your hair will be so soft. I really hope you guys enjoyed this voiceover. And really quick, if you guys was wondering, my hair did not smell like beer. I guess because I did half beer, half water of the can. My hair didn't smell like beer, and it didn't feel stripped or dry or anything. So you guys, I don't know, give it a try. Leave comments down below if you gave it a try. And if you guys are wondering, my son is gonna be 11 months. Today is January 23rd, so in 3 days he'll be 11 months. So I know he kind of just took over this voiceover, but yeah, he'll be 11 months in 3 days. So my hair was super soft after using this beer rinse. I was super pleased with it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be doing a beer rinse again, but I wouldn't be doing it like really soon. But I did like how my hair felt really detangled, but I will do another beer rinse again. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. This is how I did my hair. I just put my hair in 2 big braids, and this is the end result for everybody that like to see an end result. Like I told you guys, I don't do much to my hair at all. That's why I have hair on my head. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.